With the upcoming leaf season approaching, we want to talk about maintenance today on your leaf machines, prepping them ready for the season. Okay, number one, I think we're going to start with the propeller. That's the main thing that's going to actually sweep up the leaves, so we're going to start there, okay? So I would like to open up the cover on the side of the machine, inspect your impeller, make sure that there's no washout on your impeller, make sure it's no fins are broke off or bent, because that's going to give you a vibration. Take a bar and pry on your impeller to make sure that there's no play in your bearings. You want to be greasing those bearings periodically while you're in there also. Don't over grease them. Too much grease can also do damage to the bearings. Also, while you're in there, take a look at your liner and make sure your liner is in good shape, that there's no holes starting. You want to catch it before it gets into your main housing of the body of the leaf machine. So you want to check out the liner all the way around the whole circumference of it. From there, you want to go inspect your clutch. If you have a Rockwell clutch, there'll be tension on there. If you look at your tag on your machine, it'll tell you how many foot-pounds it takes to engage the clutch. If you have an auto clutch, you just want to inspect your free play on the clutch itself. Inspect your gauges. Okay, you have your heat, oil, pressure gauge, and your mercury switch. You want to check over and make sure they're doing okay. You're going to have your safety switches there where your hoses are plugged in. You want to make sure that the wires ain't loose. That will shut your machine down if your switches fail. So you want to be looking at the wires and make sure everything's in good shape there. Check your lights, check your wheel bearings and wheel lugs, grease your wheel bearings, go to the front of the machine, inspect your safety chains, make sure all your safety latches and everything are in good shape there. Check the machine for cracks on the outside, because if your impeller is bad, if you had a lot of vibration and your bearings wore out, there'll probably be cracks on the machine. So you want to be inspect your chute out, and also inspect cracks on the boom itself. Check all your pivot points, and make sure all your pins are not loose or worn. Also, you want to check your belt tension and belt wear. Run the belt all the way around and inspect and make sure there's no cracks or anything in your belt. Right there at your belt, it should be your hydraulic tank right underneath there. You want to inspect the sight gauge here, make sure it isn't cracked or anything, and check your fluid level and the condition of your oil. Well, that's all I have for you on the maintenance of a leaf machine. At this point, I'm going to turn it over to Rob and our parts team.
Thank you, Ronnie. As he explained throughout the preventative maintenance for your leaf machine, we have a wide variety of parts for your unit, from the impeller all the way down to your push button switch. Do not hesitate in contacting us. We are here to help. One key piece of information is your serial number, because that tells us everything about your machine. We are here to help you with service, parts, and we sell these units. So please give us a call. We're here for you.